Your man's scared for his life, for real, bro. He is. You can see in his eyes. You can see the fear in your eyes, bro. You're not built for this, bro. You're not built for this.
I bet you wish you were in your bed with your fucking wife and kids. And guess what? The black people y'all kill wish the same fucking thing every fucking day. Murderers, y'all support murderers. Y'all don't stand up for nobody. Y'all don't do nothing. Y'all ain't supporting nobody.
When this government falls, y'all fall too. You're not special.
Black people, guess what? This fucking America wouldn't exist. Without black people, none of this would be going on.
At all.
Without black people, there's no economy, there's no government, there's none of this shit. Y'all need us, but here y'all are, killing us off one by fucking one. Like stupid asses y'all are born.
All your houses.
You're a colonist.
For us to be able to walk.
You're a colonist. Your ancestors came here to colonize. You came here to make a colony. My people were here before you, and you brought sickness, you brought disease, and you killed us with genocide. You tear down all the trees, you dirty the oceans, and you destroy this country. You understand? And you represent a tyrant that believes in all of that. Are you even from Virginia, DC, or Maryland? Are you even from around here? I bet you drive here from fucking Pennsylvania or something, man. I bet you drive here from fucking North Carolina. You may have a fucking 3 or 4 hour drive every day just to work and go.
Go back to your fucking state. I guarantee you don't live in DC. Go home. Go the fuck home. This is my home.
The bigger the shield, the bigger the bitch. Fucking shield is taller than you.
You look like Mike Wazowski, boy. You ugly as shit. Shut the fuck up.
He's fucking pig. Make him go fucking viral.
I've been getting tear gas all day.
Advised Park Police is getting ready to use CS gas, 16th Street area, to get CS gas.
I don't even know how much pepper spray I've swallowed. I could go home and die of fucking poisoning, fighting for you, and you the niggas that fucking sprayed me.
Stop killing my family, please.
You must stop killing us. You must stop killing us. We're tired of letting that shit go down like this.
Fuck you, bitch ass nigga.